Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. Click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Write color code and press OK. Select Rectangle tool. Left-click and follow the process. Again, select Rectangle tool. Left-click and follow the process. Stroke 6 pixels. Follow the process. Delete this shape. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Select any selection tool, and click on Select Subject. Press Ctrl+J for Make Duplicate. Select bottom image and change Blend Mode Normal to Multiply. Hold down Ctrl and click on Upper Image. Click on Link Layers and Create Group. Follow the process. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font name Badcats. Font size 185. Font name Sunday Midnight. Font size 80. Font name Sunday Midnight. Font size 65. Follow the process. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font name Arial. Font style bold. Font size 30. Hold down Ctrl and click here. Select Horizontal Type tool. Follow the process. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Call icon and click on Place. Again, click on File and Place Embedded. Select Web icon and click on Place. Select Horizontal Type tool and follow the process. Click on Layer Style and Color Overlay. Follow the same process. Select Horizontal Type tool and follow the process. Font style Hershey. Font size 70. Font style Sunday Midnight. Font size 70. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Design and click on Place. Click on Layer Style and Color Overlay. Follow the same process with all. This is the final result. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.